we have a wonderful system of Creative Memories scrapbooking pages that is going to help you decide what page is best for your project. I'm going to start with our most popular 12 by 12 size. Here you can see we have several different varieties to choose from. I'm going to show you the entire system, beginning with our most popular 12 by 12 refill pages. So as we begin with the refill pages, the first thing you're going to notice is that we have 4 different colors. We have white, black, Spargo, and natural. And what you'll notice between these pages is there are commonalities to Creative Memories pages that makes it a system. We have this strong, durable jeeping on the side that's going to make sure that your pages last for generations. So this is the first part of the Creative Memories 12 by 12 page system. But let's take a look here at the other options that you have. Then I'm going to show you these with photos on them. So you have a refill page as a choice where you can put your artwork directly on the page. You have a 12 by 12 pocket page if you want to insert memorabilia, or if you scrapbook and finish 12 by 12 pages, you can insert that page into a pocket page. Then we have multi-pocket pages here that have 5 different pockets for you to add photos. And finally, we have our printed Fast to Fab pages, which you'll notice also have that jeeping and have a wonderful printed page that makes it easy for you to get started with. Each type of refill page comes with a protector. This means if you spill, if you're sharing your album, you want to make sure that those pages are protected, and those page protectors will ensure that. You can see here, this is our white refill page. When we're comparing it, we can see that 4 by 6 photo fits easily 4 times on the page. You can see that we can add photos, we can add journaling, we can add embellishments. It works perfectly on that refill page if you just want to get started right away. Here you can see the pocket page that I talked about. This is where we would insert that 12 by 12 finished page. We would just insert it into the pocket where it is protected. This page gives you extra flexibility to move and rearrange your pages within an album. Here is the view of the multi-pocket page here. And finally, here's that view of the Fast to Fab page. You can see on the back of my page it's printed, and then on the front I've just adhered the photos. The 12 by 12 system is our most popular album system. Often it's the easiest to add those 4 by 6 photos to, but we have additional options. You'll see here we have our 8 by 8 size. This works within that same system as the 12 by 12 in that we have black, white, Spargo, and natural pages. Here you can see you're just going to fit 2 4 by 6 photos on that page. This shows you the difference in maybe the choice that you make between the pages for your project. Finally, we do have our vertical page. This is our 6.75 by 10 page. Here you'll see I fit 1 4 by 6 photo on that. This is very popular for planner size albums. And I'm just gonna show you this system one more time. We have our vertical, then we have our 8 by 8 size, and finally, you have the most variety and choices in that 12 by 12 size. Whatever you choose for your project, there is a page for you in the Creative Memories system.